Hi there, I'm Kashina and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm an entrepreneur and something I'm very passionate about is passive income. I think it's so important that we work smarter instead of harder and figure out how we can earn more while working less. And these different strategies that I'm going to share with you in today's video will allow you to do exactly that. Anyways, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you don't want to miss out on my latest videos, then make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever a new video pops up. And with that said, let's jump straight into the video. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is one of the best ways to start earning from wherever you are, even if you don't have plenty of cash flow. Some dropshippers report making upward of $100,000 per year. Dropshipping is not a get-rich-quick scheme, however, it takes some upfront investment of time and money. This business model involves creating an e-commerce store where customers browse and buy products. What's interesting about dropshipping is that you don't have to see the products you sell physically. With dropshipping, your supplier handles everything from manufacturing to packaging to fulfillment. And since you don't need to send money to your supplier until your customers pay, there's limited cash risk. Second, create a print-on-demand store. If you're an artist, designer, or entrepreneur, print-on-demand can be a profitable passive income idea to monetize your creativity with print-on-demand companies. You can easily create products to sell like t-shirts, posters, backpacks, or books and selling them on a per-order basis. Shipping and fulfillment is taken care of by your supplier. Once your store is set up, you can automate the sales process. Third, sell digital products. These include downloadable or streamable files such as Kindle books, templates, plugins, or PDFs. Digital products are great passive income streams because they have high profit margins. You only have to make the asset once, and you can sell it repeatedly online. There's no storage or inventory needed. You can sell as many digital products as you want. Many creators scale their passive income by selling kits, printables, files, and other assets professionals can use. Fourth, run an affiliate marketing business. Affiliate marketing involves recommending a product or service to an audience. It's a great source of passive income because you earn a commission whenever someone uses your referral link to buy the recommended product or service. It's easy to execute, it's low risk. There's no cost to join an affiliate program and it's scalable. Fifth, sell stock photos online. If you're a full-time photographer or own a good camera, you can create an extra revenue stream by selling photos online. Stock photo sites like Pexels, Shutterstock, and other stock media websites will pay you for high-quality photos and videos. Number 6. Buy a rental property. Real estate investing is one of the oldest ways to build long-term wealth. If you have enough money, you can buy and rent out apartment buildings or some other form of real estate. But since the job of being a landlord is pretty active, you can hire property managers to manage tenants and collect monthly payments or rent. And lastly, invest in the stock market. Although the stock market might have a steep learning curve and can be confusing, it's a great way to build lasting wealth. A common mistake most people make with stock investments is thinking short-term instead of playing the long game. The goal for investing in stocks is to diversify your portfolio and reduce risk. You can do this through investing in exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and high-dividend stocks that earn you income slowly over time. If you want a more in-depth tutorial for each of this method, check out my other videos or check the links in the description. And if you want to learn more about passive income, please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new passive income ideas or tutorials. That's it guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.